Hello, I'm Mahruz Rezai. I'm project coordinator of the EU-funded SOILPROM project.
I'm Koen Ritsema. I'm the scientific coordinator of the project. And the question is, why has SOILPROM been funded by the European Commission? There's serious concern about pollutant levels across ecosystems in Europe. And the European Commission envisions to battle against continuous soil pollution, and they want to minimize the risk for ecosystem health and for human health. And so that was the prime reason to open a call on this topic, because we not very well understand how these process mechanisms are working, that pollutants are moving across our ecosystems and reach places where they never have been used.
Within SOILPROM, we look into improving models that can estimate the transport and fate of pollutants within environment. So looking into different environmental compartments like soil, water, air, and plants. We look into emerging contaminants like microplastics and pesticides, PFAS, and heavy metals. And also this will be done through collecting data in our use cases. We have 9 use cases across Europe that continuously collect data for this purpose. And the aim is to use these data sets for improving and upgrading models of transport. Within SOILPROM, we also are in contact with stakeholders. So from the beginning, we initiated this contact through gathering the needs of stakeholders, and we aim to have different workshops throughout the process. And at the end, when the models are developed, we hope that we can, together with the stakeholders, we can develop scenarios for running using these models. So at the end of the SOILPROM project, we aim to have some upgraded and improved models that can estimate transport and fate of pollutants, and these are accessible through an open access modeling platform, which can be used by different stakeholders like scientists and policymakers. But also we will develop a decision support tool, mainly for practitioners. So even if you don't have modeling skills, you can still get some insights about transport of pollutants in the environment using this platform. And of course, we also look into impacts of pollutants on ecosystem services. And at the end, we will give some recommendations for policymakers, of course.
There are challenges ahead of us, you know. We are working with a multidisciplinary team with partners from all over Europe. We have soil scientists included in the consortium. We have hydrologists. We have also meteorologists and people who are busy with more the acronomical part of the work and policies. And what we do as well, we try to better understand fate and transport processes of pollutants, and we need the different expertise of these people, you know, these scientists, because pollutants are moving from soils to atmosphere, for instance, or to groundwater systems, and so that links to different scientific disciplines. And normally these scientific disciplines are working in parallel and not very working closely together. They all normally develop computer simulation models for fate and transport processes, but we need to link these different environmental compartments better in the project. So because it is one big continuum, our ecosystem, and that will at the end hopefully provide better insights how these pollutants, these different type of emerging pollutants, move across our ecosystem. And that will help, I think, from a scientific point of view, but also from a societal point of view, to maybe also think about potential measures to prevent further pollution. So with the improved models aiming at different type of contaminants, we also want to run computer simulations, scenario analysis basically, to see which solutions fit best to reduce pollution levels across European landscapes.